Hi, this is Kaushik Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group, and today's question is, how do I avoid getting a denial? What are the biggest factors of a denial in an I601 or I601A case? Well, the two biggest reasons that I see denials that coming through our case is, one, poorly written statements. Statement is basically explaining to the government your reason for needing to stay in the U.S. and why your U.S. spouse would face extreme hardship if they left. So this basically tells the story of your relationship and then all of the hardships that your U.S. citizen spouse would face. And remember that the hardship is not to you, it's to your U.S. citizen spouse. And that's extremely important because they won't weigh any factors of hardship towards you, only to the U.S. citizen. So, for instance, if they have some kind of medical condition, going into great detail explaining all the medical hardships that they would face, or if there's career disruption, explaining the facts and details of the disruption that would occur if they had to move to your home country, or they wouldn't be able to get that type of job there, or education disruption if they can't get the same level of education. So all of these details need to be fleshed out, and this is one of the most important aspects of your hardship waiver case, and one of the biggest reasons for denials. And when I see people come to our office where they're asking us to fix what happened with their denial by refiling, that's one of the biggest reasons, is those poorly written statements where they were not prepared well. The second reason that I see a denial is not providing proper documentation to back up everything in the statement. So you can't just make assertions. You need to explain in thorough detail, one, in the statement, and then two, back all of that up. So if you have a medical condition, that better be backed up by medical records. If you have financial hardship, then that needs to be backed up by showing your income and expenses. If you have education disruption, then that needs to be backed up by showing that you're enrolled in school. If you have a history of depression, that should be backed up by showing that you've been going to therapy or a doctor from your psychiatrist or psychologist. And a lot of times I see inappropriate documentation that comes in, and what we do in our office is we audit the documents to make sure that we're submitting the appropriate documents that's going to best highlight your hardships, and not by providing unnecessary documents which can actually hinder your case because it basically overshadows the rest of the hardships that you have. I want to thank you for taking time to watch this video. I hope that I helped educate you and helped you learn a few things about the I601 or I601A hardship waiver process. I invite you, as always, to contact us at 916-613-3553. And we look forward to helping you on this path to becoming legal and reunited with your family. Thank you and have an awesome day. Click on the pictures above that best describes the service you're seeking. I'm Attorney Kaushik Ranchod with the Ranchod Law Group. Whether you're trying to determine the type of visa or green card you qualify for, or just need tips on what to look for in hiring an immigration attorney, we have the answers. My team of professionals is comprised of many immigrants, and we understand how complex the process can be on your own. Give my office a call today for a free consumer's guide on hiring an immigration attorney.